Alright everybody, so in this video we are doing the blind taste test of my breakfast skillet that I made right here. We're going to compare it to a Mountain House. This is in no way a way to bash Mountain House. I think they make great products. We're going to be looking at several factors in this. I told my friends to be brutally honest. We're going to go with appearance. You know, how does it look visually? We're going to go with how it tastes. And which one obviously they would want to eat again, because you know, appearance could be ugly but it tastes better, or vice versa, it could look great and taste like garbage. I made this one as with some of the ingredients. With this one, mine don't have potatoes because my potatoes didn't turn out very well, but we will go from there. So let's get to that.
The smell recorded thing.
My appearance is done.
Are we rating it off of appearance or just taste?
Yeah, I want appearance, taste,
appearance.
Okay, so you're going.
You like that better?
Heck yeah.
I gotta be honest. The appearance is because.
So this is Matt. We got Matt from right to left. Matt, Micah, and Ian. They're my buddies, and they're going to do my taste test of Mountain House versus my freeze-dried breakfast skillet. So their blind taste test. These guys are going to be brutally honest with me because I won't expect anything else out of them. And so they're young, strapping lads who like to eat.
Oh yeah.
So we're going to go with appearance, taste, and which one they would rather eat again. So you guys eat up, do what you want, and then we'll go 1-to-1. So.
All right. You want us to rate A? You want us to rate us off of like appearance?
Yeah, if you want us go with appearance first. So
B wins appearance.
Okay, so we got one
for
for
me,
B.
A wins appearance.
One for
it
A.
It just looks
A.
moist.
A.
And
so we got 2 for A, 1 for B.
These colors are so bright, it just looks so nice.
I'll start with B.
I'm sorry, this one. This one. Say it again.
2 for A.
That's actually really good.
That one's really good.
Okay, that's A.
Ooh.
Maybe I should have cooked up 3 bags of each.
That is really good.
That was B?
Yeah. It's just a little dry. Like, it's good, but it's a little dry.
Right.
I would definitely eat it, though. I mean, like, it's very good.
Questions will be so close.
I think I like A better. I gotta be honest.
Alright.
I think A has more taste in it.
Okay.
Dude, I don't know.
I like them both. B's really good. It's just dry.
B's good, but this
So
one's like...
Other than that, like, they're both really
It has, I don't know, more
So
flavor.
if B had more water added to it, you think it would be better?
Yeah, if it was more moist. It's just kind of spongy right now.
Okay.
You know what I mean? Like, but it's still really good. Like, don't get me wrong. They're both really good.
I'm going with B.
So we've got so far 2 for A, 1 with B.
Mike is the odd one out.
B, 100%.
B, it is really good.
100% B.
I think A, because I feel like it has more flavor to it.
Okay. Anything else you guys want to critique?
Can I take more B with me?
If there's some left in the bag, yeah.
B wins by far.
Especially coming from somebody that doesn't eat vegetables.
Oh yeah, I hate vegetables, but B wins.
Okay.
Let's hear it. The review.
So which one would you guys, if you had to pick one, which one would it be?
Probably A.
A.
If I had to pick one, it'd be A.
Okay.
I do like them both though,
So
but I
2
would pick A.
2 for A, 1 for B.
B.
Yes, sir.
Overall. Okay.
Now can we guess which ones you made?
Go for it.
I'm gonna guess B.
I'm gonna guess B too.
I'm thinking he probably made B.
Okay, you guys were right. I made B.
Made B.
So as it compares, other than visually any different, what would be else that's different between the two? Does A have more flavor?
It might have a little bit more flavor. It's just to me it's just a little bit more moist.
Right.
Like this is just a little like spongy. It's not bad. Like
Yeah,
again,
because A's got a science down to, you know,
Yeah.
me and I'm just like, a little bit more water, a little less water.
Yeah. So they're both really good. This has more peppers and onions, and I like peppers and onions, so that kind of works out for me. Micah hates peppers and onions, so that worked out for him.
Yep.
B works out for him. So
And A
I'm
has
trying to figure out what's all in it.
and A has more salt and
I think
more
that's
preservatives.
Yeah.
It has a
Of
lot of
course.
stuff in it.
Okay.
A bunch of grease food.
So did I lose or did I win? Or was it a tie?
It's pretty close.
Okay, I think it was probably close to being a tie, but you guys 2 won, so actually Mountain House won.
Yeah. But we didn't factor in price and everything as well. So I mean, there's so much more to it.
Oh yeah, but we're not doing that. We're here for a taste test.
Yeah.
So I'm still proud of it.
Yeah,
no, it's still really good.
B wins by far.
For that one, yeah. All right.
Yeah.
Well,
I'm the chunky one, so I know the most about food. So my vote's the only one that matters. I'm the only one that matters. So a B technically is the all-time winner. No matter how you slice it, B wins.
All right. Well, you guys leave a comment down below from their reactions. Which one you think? All right, everybody. Appreciate it, guys. Thanks.
Yep. Subscribe.